Hi, my name is Kai1. Today we're going to share with you guys a really good stuff because when I'm soldering, I pull off the pad, a single pad of the video output. So I just thought, oh shoot, I fucked up. And I searched the internet and they just tell you how to just keep digging, dig deeper to find any copper left on your board. So I just do it because I have a spare broken what's this, flight controller ESC 4-in-1, and I just keep digging, and I found a little bit copper. So I just try it on my board right here. I just use my razor, just keep digging, and I just solder a little bit on there, and everything works perfectly. This is just, oh yeah, this saved my day. I thought I'm going to buy a brand new flight controller and resolder all the parts. Jeez. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to share. Just keep digging. Just because you pull over a pad, and if you don't try to fix it, you will need to replace your entire flight controller ESC 4-in-1. So yeah, great. Just don't stop trying and just keep digging. If you pull off your solder entire pad.